we started thinking, we've got a lot of data on lawyers. We've got a core system in place, and we have an international presence. Let's start taking this and figuring out what we can do with firms. So it was a natural relationship to talk to the rankings leader in the U.S., which was U.S. News World Reports. So we started talking with them about what we might be able to do to coordinate a list. And in 2010, our first list came out, which was the best law firms, U.S. News best law firms.
We really look at the heart and the meat of an attorney's practice. So everything is not weighted equally, but we look at many, many factors. So clearly we want to know representative clients, representative matters, all of those sorts of things that really make us understand that a lawyer is doing great work. But we also award points in our process for things like pro bono work and other sort of things that an attorney might do. And go ahead and look at superlawyers.com. You'll see all of the various factors that go into the research process.
We do something similar. So how typically it works is a marketing director from a firm will come in and do what's called a group claim, basically take responsibility for all of the profiles for all the attorneys in the firm, and from there we have an account management team that will work directly with the marketing director to manage any and all communications and otherwise.
There's a couple products we're talking about. We have the best lawyers, we have the best law firms. For best lawyer side in the U.S., we do our own regional publications, and it has an entire free listing based on the area. So if we put out a Philadelphia region, it would be any listed lawyer in the Philadelphia region would be in the actual publication. And we as well sell different types of levels of advertisement. Would you like to buy a quarter profile, and so on and so forth. For online, we also have the would you like to buy your expanded profiles and so on and so forth. Very similar model for bestlawyers.com. And then best law firms, we do a couple of publications a year, which is in November when we actually launched a list. Last year we did the money issue, the U.S. News money issue, and we did the best law firm standalone, which is a nice big book, has all the rankings. Again, everybody's in that.
You can have a profile for free, and you can answer questions for free. You appear in our search results for free. So if a consumer comes and searches divorce attorney Philadelphia, similar to Google, we have organic search results, and then we have clearly demarcated paid results. And we have a number of attorneys who dedicate time. And so that's kind of their marketing, is their time that they spend, and we place value on that. These folks are answering questions for consumers, and so we greatly appreciate that. So we have a lot of attorneys that do that. So then on the sponsored listing side, again, similar to Google, you can buy sponsored listings. You can buy what's called an enhanced profile, which is, I think it's like $45 a month. Where we'll take competitors' ads off the profiles, so the kind of standard way that you do that, and then it gives you more flexibility about what you can say on the profile, and gives you access to additional analytics around just your profile. And then we sell Avvo Ignite, which is a software platform, and that's sold similar to other software platforms. It's a monthly fee associated with it.
The basic listing online is always free. We have online expanded opportunities. They're mentioned here in the materials that you have. So you can purchase an expanded profile, and then you can purchase a more expanded profile. And obviously in our print publications, there's many different options. We editorially do not sell our cover. We do not sell anything on our table of contents. We do not sell any of the editorial profiles that we have. So when we write about somebody and you see it in the Super Lawyers magazine, no one can buy that. It's just simply not for sale. I oversee the editorial team. They take great pride in the separation of church and state between what you buy and what you don't. But in our print products, very clearly, we live by people purchasing advertising to showcase their excellence in the practice of law. You don't pay to participate in our process. You do not pay to be selected. You do not pay to be listed. You do not pay to have a basic profile online. But would we like you to participate with us further and purchase? Yeah, absolutely, because we really do bring visibility to the attorneys.
We try to look at all facets for who we're going after, for the clients who are going to find law firms. And sometimes we find the more we know about the client, the more we know about someone using the site, the more information we can use to better identify who's going to connect the lawyer to the client. I mean, our slogan is connecting lawyers and clients worldwide.